We will now discuss the onboarding journey of the investor whose KYC is not verified via NSE Invest. So in profile list, we need to click on create UCC of the investor to create a profile. Enter the PAN number. Once the PAN is entered, system will check the KYC status. If the KYC is not verified, you need to complete the KYC process. Here we have combined the KYC and UCC creation process into a single page. This means that once all steps are completed, both the KYC and UCC will be created of the investor. After entering the mobile number, select the relationship of the mobile, select the account type. You need to select the UCC number preference. So you can go with the random UCC where the system will allot random UCC, or you can specify the UCC as per your preference. So we'll go with the random UCC. So here in identity verification, your document will get auto fetch to DigiLocker. So first we need to log into the DigiLocker. So here we need to enter the Aadhaar number. You will receive the OTP on your registered mobile number, which is linked to the Aadhaar. So here on this page, we need to click on allow. Now the document will be fetched through DigiLocker. So we need to click on continue. So here we can see the document has been fetched successfully. So we need to proceed further. So here verify all the details and proceed further. So after identity verification, proceed to the next step, that is holding pattern. So in holding pattern, select how you want your investment account to be held, single, joint, or anyone or survival. So we'll go with single. Select the gender and select all the required information. The email ID need to be entered of the primary holder and need to select the relationship of the email ID. So here we need to enter the FATCA information, address type, current city. So after entering all the required information, proceed to the next step. So after entering the holding pattern, proceed to the next step, that is nominee detail. So in step 5, fill out the nominee details of your investment account. You can add up to 3 nominees. Alternatively, you may choose to opt out of adding a nominee by selecting I do not wish to nominate, and then proceed to the next step, that is bank details. So here you can add your bank account details. So you have an option to add multiple banks and you need to choose a default bank in case if you're adding the multiple bank. Then proceed to the next step, that is signature. Upload your signature over here or draw it on the screen. Confirm your consent by clicking on the checkbox and proceed to the next step, that is photo verification. Here investor need to take live photo and proceed to the next step, review and e-sign. Here the investor is required to read all the information which are displayed on the screen carefully. To proceed further, the investor is required to enter the OTP which they receive on the registered mobile number that is linked to Aadhaar. After verifying the OTP, this screen indicates the profile has been created successfully. Now the investors are required to do the UCC authentication using the link provided over here. Investor will also receive a UCC authentication email from NSE. Once this is done, the onboarding process will be completed.